Oh, the oil looks so cool when it's heating. Just lit again. Or maybe it lit. Maybe it's about to explode. I don't know. Woo. That's what we don't want it to do. Unless still let me not getting enough pull through there. Okay, so we gotta work on the some more. Too much exploding. It's not like when it pops. Alright, so I noticed a little bit of cold backdrafting down in the corner by the fryer. I think maybe that's what caused the burners to go bad. I brought this lighter up here to test for any pull of air that's going into the building, and I didn't find any along these seals here. When I got right up here, man, it sucks the flame out, because right up underneath here, you can see there's a rubber seal there. There's supposed to be one running along that edge, but there's not. And then you get over here and look, they didn't even get the rubber seal back where it's supposed to be. And also along there, so we have a lot of suction. A lot of this air is not going where it's supposed to be going. It's just sucking it. Quite a bit of it, so all the way along here too. I just shut off the range hood. As you can see, there's nothing on these edges. That's all there was for seal. I think it's pretty dirty, but body and gross. But this should make a big difference. We're gonna use this foam as the new seal. So here's what we did to anchor that. We just taped it, because most of that it's just going to be squished, you know, so it's not like it needs a significant amount of force. It's just going to compress, but that should take care of that air leaking around that bottom edge. And Larissa got it silicone all the way around this bottom edge here, because it seemed like it was leaking a little bit of air around there. And then we're going to tighten the belt, because it's getting a little bit loose. Nothing like what we had. It was bad before. And we anchored it with a couple of these Tapcons to squeeze the seal shut. And then we tightened the belt. Well, that's a good sign. It's definitely not, there's no cold air dumping back down in here.